Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we looked at basic sketching tools. In this video we'll be looking at reference geometry creation, more specifically reference plane creation. So reference plane is an important concept because it's used in most professional CAE engineering creations. So now let's take a look at how to do it. So for creating a reference plane, first we choose any of these three planes which we have here. Let's say we choose the front plane, and now we go here plane, and the first reference is the reference which you have given as the plane. Now in this case it's the front plane, and here we have the options parallel, perpendicular, coincident. In this video we'll be looking at only perpendicular. So here we can see the number of offsets we have, so we can increase it. So based on the number of requirements for creating the particular geometry, we can increase the number of plane offsets, and we can also increase the distance between them. So in this case each of the 7 new planes created is 30 mm apart. So this is basics. Next we'll be seeing how to create a perpendicular one. So in perpendicular, when we choose, it says select references and constraints. So to define references and constraint, exit this. Now select front plane, normal to, go to lines, center line, draw a line, and then one more line perpendicular to it. And exit the sketch. Now go back to features, references again. So we can select the plane, reference plane from here, also from the tree. So it's front plane, so we selected the front plane. Now we choose the option perpendicular, so we can select the reference as this plane, so it comes perpendicular, perpendicular to the front plane like this along the chosen reference. And we can also change the angle here. So based on the angle required, we can give the offset, it takes a angle. And similarly we can choose the other line as well. So that line has been divided into two, no problem. We can use you can use 1/2 of it, not an issue. And again it's at an offset of 160 degrees, so it's making an angle of 160 degrees from this side. So this is how we create reference planes and perpendicular reference planes. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more of this, subscribe to this channel. If you liked whatever you saw, like, share, and subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.